guys. It's been a long time since I did something in the car. So I just went into Goodwill. And then I went into, I don't think you guys can see it, the Dollar General to look for some stuff for my 3-tier tray because I would like to decorate it today for Valentine's Day. I didn't have the greatest luck at Goodwill. Actually, all of their stuff was all Christmas reduced, and I'm over Christmas, so they really didn't have anything for Valentine's Day. But I did score at the Dollar General. They had some really cute stuff. Let me show you this little piece. They had some really cute stuff. So I got some really cute stuff from Dollar General, so I'm really excited. I'm going to go home and get my 3-tier tray decorated for Valentine's Day, so I'm just inviting you along for the decorating process. I think today we're just going to do decorating because my family is home. It's Sunday. You guys will probably see this Monday, and I'll probably do a cook with me. So today's just going to be a simple homemaking day where you just make your home pretty and you make yummies for your family because we're all home. It's freezing cold. I'm out super early because we are in for another winter storm. It's not as bad as the first one. We're not predicted to get a foot. We're only supposed to get 4 to 6 inches. That isn't too bad. But on top of the snow that we already have, it's, you know, So, and the weird thing is while I was sitting in this parking lot when I came out of Dollar General, there was a seagull. Now, maybe for some people that isn't very odd, but seagulls in Pennsylvania, no, we don't have seagulls in Pennsylvania. So to come out of Dollar General and see a seagull, I was like, wow, is that my sign from God that I'm going to be going home soon? Because the only place I've ever seen seagulls is in New Jersey. I've never seen a seagull here, so I thought that was really rare. It's just one lone little seagull. I don't know if it got blown in from a storm or what, but very rare to see a seagull in Pennsylvania. So I thought that was really interesting. So anyways, I'm going to go home and start homemaking and prepping for dinner. My husband requested rigatonis, so we're going to make rigatonis, and I'm excited to decorate this 3-tier tray. So let's go do it, lovies. All right, lovies, I'm home now, and this is all the stuff I'm going to use to decorate my 3-tier tray. So this and this, my love, and these came from the Dollar Tree. This one, these 2 cute little tags, this, these cute little pillows, and this came from the Dollar General. That's what I got. And then I have some of my own personal things, like I want to incorporate this candle, this mushroom to bring in some of the teal. These are what I picked up from Goodwill. I think this little mushroom will be cute. I have this little guy, and then I got this from the Dollar Tree as well, but I think I'm going to put this on my door. So I have some things to work with. Cutesy cutesy. So I'm going to clean off this space, pull the tray out, and I think we're going to get it going. Yeah, we can do that. The snow has arrived. It's snowing big flakes. Oh crap, our door's frozen. Oh. Look. The snow has come. It's snowing.
sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wings. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Walk up the river by my son. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I follow only golden, golden things. Golden, I follow only golden. Golden things.
you reach for water. The hills by the lake, you were chasing your dreams. And I gave you a rose that you kept unseen. Kept unseen.
Okay, lovies, this is the tray finally finished. I think it turned out adorable. I had just the right amount of things. I think the only thing I would like to add is some greenery. So the next time I hit Hobby Lobby or the Dollar Tree, I'll probably pick up some greenery, maybe even a rose or two to throw in here. But for right now, I think it looks adorable, but I really think some draping greenery on this will just totally pull the whole thing together. But I love how it turned out, and it didn't cost me a fortune because everything I already had came from a Dollar Tree or was a buck or two from the Dollar General. So I am thrilled with it. And I will do an update picture either in my upcoming video or on my Instagram of the greenery when I come across it and add it. But I absolutely love the decor and I love how it turned out. It really brought Valentines right into my house. Tell me down in the comments what you think, and if you think greenery would just totally just take this tray to the next level. Alright guys, we're gonna get dinner going. So you're gonna need ground beef, ricotta, marinara sauce, some rigatonis, mozzarella cheese. You need to get water boiling and get your meat cooking. Add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. And it already smells like heaven in here. I always add some grated parm to my can sauce because it just, my personal opinion, it just makes it taste so much better. Now I'm going to add the ricotta to the hot noodles, salt, pepper, more onion powder, and more garlic powder, and of course Italian seasoning, and get all of that mixed in really well to all of the noodles will make all that melt and kind of come together. Then I'll add my sauce. Now my husband doesn't like his really saucy, so it's mostly cheesy, pink, and then I reserve the rest of the tomato sauce to go on after you plate it because he doesn't like his super saucy. He wants more cheese than anything. So now we're going to top this with almost a whole bag of mozzarella because cheese is his thing. Now we're going to top that with some oregano. That nice Italian flavor. There's nothing like cheese and oregano. Yummy, 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 yummy. And then we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Yummy, yummy. When you got about 8 to 10 minutes left in your baking time for your rigatonis, you're going to pop in your favorite garlic bread, whether it's homemade, Texas toast, whatever it be, and let that go until it's ready to serve. Alright, lovies, we're going to get this plated up and served. It was so delicious. Oh, hot, yummy, cheesy goodness. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and spending some time with me. I thank you so much for dropping by my channel and watching. I hope that you got some cooking and maybe a little bit of decorating inspiration out of this. I just so appreciate you guys being here. And as I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever He has given you, and I know He will bless you with more. Take care of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, but God loves you more. Bye, lovies.